Welcome to the Muluka Academy. Myself Anil Kumar Skija, your mathematics teacher. So today I will do applications of trigonometry topic for class 10th. So this is class 10th and topic is applications of trigonometry. So in this we take up the question, the height of two poles are 80 meter and 62.5 meter. First question is, the height of two poles are 80 meter and 62.5 meters. If the line joining their top, if line joining their top makes an angle of 45 degree with the horizontal, then the distance between the poles is, with horizontal, then distance between poles is. So very easy question. So what we have to do, the height of two poles, we are given two poles, let the poles be AB and CD is there. Height of AB is 80 meter, we are given, and CD is 62.5 meter. Okay. Then what he said that in the question, if the line joining their tops, so these are top when BD is joined, when the tops are joined, then it makes angle of 45 degree with the horizontal. So what is the horizontal in this case? This will be the horizontal and this will be equal to 45 degree. Okay. Let this point be E. Now can we find BE? BE is here. BE we can find, this is AB minus CD. So BE is equal to 80 minus 62.5, which is 17.5 meter. So this is your 17.5 meter. Now we can take triangle BED. In triangle BED, we know that BE upon ED is equal to tan 45 and tan 45 is 1. So we know that BE is equal to ED. So BE we have find 17.5. So 17.5 DE is equal to 17 point, which is equal to AC. So this is what we want to find. We want to find the difference between two poles. So AC difference between poles is 17.5 meter. So this we want to find. Then second question in this is, so very interesting question. If the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point, if angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 200 meter above a lake is 30 degree and angle of depression of its reflection, angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is 60 degree. Then height of the cloud above the lake is, find height of cloud above lake. So very good question. So in this case what we are given, so here there is a lake, and what we do, this is the cloud here, see. So what we do, AB, that is 200 meter above the surface of the lake. The angle of elevation of the cloud is, this is 30 meter, 30 degree. And then what is there? Reflection of this cloud in the lake water from here is 60 degree. And what we want to find the height of the cloud above lake. We want to find this is for example S, you want to find this, let it be X. By the law of reflection, this X will be equal to same as, if it is reflection is C dash, reflection of cloud is C dash in this, then this is also X, and this is your 200 meter. A, B, C, let this be D, E, let this be S. Okay. Now what we want to find, we want to find the value of X here. So now what we will do, first of all, in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, what we have got, CD upon BD. CD upon BD is equal to tan 30 degree. CD is, what is the value of CD? We know that CS is your X. We know that CS is equal to CS, your C dash S is equal to X. This total is X, this is your 200. So this will be X minus 200. So this will be X minus 200 is CD upon BD is equal to 1 by under root 3. So from here we can find BD will be equal to under root 3 X minus 200. So from here we have find BD. Now we take the second triangle, that is BC dash D. In triangle BC dash D, and here also we can find, this is C dash D upon BD is equal to tan 60. And what is C dash D? This is C dash D, which is CS plus SD, that is 200 plus X, X plus 200 upon BD is equal to under root 3, or we can say BD is equal to X plus 200 upon under root 3. So you can check, these two are the values of BD. This is BD and this is also BD, but BD is same in both the cases. So we can equate the value of BD, equating BD value, equating value of BD, we get under root 3 X minus 200 is equal to X plus 200 upon root 3, which is 3 into X minus 200 is equal to X plus 200. So this will be 3X minus 600 is equal to X plus 200. So this will be 2X is equal to 800, X will be equal to 400 meter. So we can see that height of the cloud is, this will be equal to 400 meter. So this will be the required answer. So then we move to the next question, but before that we will rub this part. Then third question is, the banks of the river are parallel. Question third is, the banks of river are parallel. A swimmer starts from a point on one of the banks and swim in a straight line inclined. A swimmer starts from one end and swims in a line inclined to 45 degree and reaches opposite bank at a point 20 meter away. So we want to find breadth of river. So what we are given? We are given two ends of the, these are the two ends of the river AC, these are two B, D. So what the swimmer do? He starts from here, he moves in the straight line from one end of the river bank and reaches to the other bank, inclined at an angle of 45 degree with the bank of river. And what we want to find, it moves 20 meter from on this, and we want to find this width. Let this be E and F. So in triangle AEF, what is there? We want to find this EF upon AE is equal to, EF is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is sine of 45 degree. EF we want to find, this is the width, is upon 20 is equal to 1 by under root 2. So EF is equal to 20 upon under root 2, multiply and divide by under root 2. This becomes 2, this is 10, and EF is equal to 10 into 1.414, so which is equal to 14.14 meter. So this will be the width of the river. So this we have find, this is your 14.14 meter. Then question fourth is, then next is, a man on a cliff observes a fishing traveler. A man on cliff observes a fishing traveler, a fishing traveler at an angle of depression of 30 degree, which is approaching the shore. With the uniform speed of 6 with uniform speed. 6 minutes later, the angle of depression changes to changes to 60 degree. The time taken by traveler to reach the shore. The time taken by traveler to reach shore is. So what you want to do? So just see here. We have got a cliff AB. A man on the cliff observes a traveler which is approaching towards the shore, and this angle is 30 degree. Obviously this will be also 30 degree, and 6 minutes later this angle changes to 60 degree. So this is also 60 degree. So this distance is covered in 6 minutes. That is, this is CD, time taken to cover CD with uniform speed is 6 minutes. So हमने क्या पता करना है? What is the time taken to travel AC? To find time taken to travel AC. So let us assume this height AB as h and uniform speed. Let uniform speed be uniform speed of traveler is u meter per minute. Okay. Now we take this triangle. In triangle ABC, AC upon H is cot 30 degree and AC is equal to H cot 30. Cot 30, value of cot 30 is under root 3. So AC is equal to under root 3 H. This is AC we have given. Then in triangle ABD, AD upon H is equal to cot 30, and this will be AD upon H is equal to 1 by under root 3. This is equal to this is your cot 60. Cot 60 is 1 by root 3, and this will be your H upon under root 3. and this is cot 30. Cot 30 is under root 3, and AD will be equal to root 3h. Now we know that CD is the distance travelled with the uniform speed u meter per second in 6 minutes. So we can find CD will be equal to 6 into u, which will be 6u meter. So this will be your CD. And we can also find CD by subtracting AC from AD, and CD is equal to AD minus AC. So we have find AC and AD. AD is your under root 3h minus, what is AC? Where is AC? This is h upon under root 3. So this is your h, we take common, under root 3 minus 1 by under root 3. So this will be 2h upon under root 3. And what is CD? This is equal to 6u, and h will be equal to 6 under root 3u upon 2. So this cancels with 3, which is 3 under root 3u. So this is the value for h. Now what we have find? We have find the value for h. H is equal to 3 under root 3u in terms of u. Now we can find AC by using this formula. AC is equal to h upon under root 3. So h will be equal to h upon under root 3. AC is equal to, what is h? 3 under root 3 u upon under root 3. This cancels, AC will be equal to 3u. So this is the distance. Now what we want to find? We want to find the time taken by the traveler to reach the shore is. So time taken will be equal to, time is equal to AC upon speed. Distance upon speed, AC is 3u upon u. This is equal to 3 minutes. So it will take 3 minutes to reach from C to A. So answer is 3 minutes. So just pay attention here what we did here. Just look at this. So there is cliff AB of height h, which we have assumed, and a traveler is approaching towards the shore. He observes at an angle of depression of 30 degree. But after 6 minutes, it reaches to C where the angle of depression is 60 degrees. So what we want to find, in how much time it will reach A. So for that, these angles are 30, 60. So from there, first we have taken ABC. This triangle, in this, cot 60 is equal to AC upon AB. So AC upon H. So AC will be equal to H into cot 60 is 1 by under root 3. AC is H upon under root 3. This we have find. Then we find AD by using other triangle ABD. So AD is equal to this under root 3H. Then we find CD. We can find CD here by subtracting AC from AD. So this comes out to be 2H upon under root 3. But CD we have already found, which is equal to 6u meter. So 6u is equal to 2h upon under root 3, and h will be equal to 6 under root 3 upon 2. This is 3 under root 3u, and there, from there we find the value of AC in terms of u, that comes out to be 3u. Then we can find time by dividing AC by the speed, which is the uniform u meter per minute. So the answer is 3 minutes, that it will reach the shore at 3 minutes. Then we move to the next part, but before that we will rub this part. Then fifth question is, question fifth is, a boat is being moved away from a cliff 150 meter high. A boat is being moved away from a cliff 150 meter high. At the top of cliff, the angle of depression of the boat changes from, at the top of cliff, the angle of depression changes from 60 degree to 45 degree in 2 minutes. The speed of the boat is, सो इसमें हमने क्या पता करना है, स्पीड ऑफ बोट पता करनी है। हमने ये बताया गया कि इसका जो एंगल चेंज होता है 60 टू 45, ये कितनी देर में चेंज होता है, इट चेंजेस इन 2 मिनट्स। सो इसमें क्या दिया हमें, ये 150 मीटर क्लिफ है, यहाँ से एक बोट आगे जा रही है, तो इसमें क्या दिया है, ये एंगल हमारा एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन पहले तो 60 होता है, लेकिन 2 मिनट के बाद ये हो जाता है 45। सो ये डिस्टेंस 2 मिनट में कवर होता है इसका। सो दिस इज ए बी सी डी। सी डी इज कवर्ड इन 2 मिनट। तो हमने ये पता करना है इसका स्पीड क्या है। तो अगर ये 60 है, ये भी 60 होगा, ये 45 है, ये भी 45 होगा। तो हम क्या पता करेंगे, एक तो BC पता करना है, एक BD पता करना है। सो पहले हम ट्रायंगल ले लेते हैं ABC। इन ट्रायंगल ABC वी हैव BC अपॉन 150 डिग्री 150 मीटर। सो BC क्या है, बेस, ये क्या है, परपेंडिकुलर। सो बेस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर इज कॉट 60 डिग्री। सो ये क्या हो जाएगा, BC अपॉन 150 1 अपॉन √3। सो BC इज इक्वल टू 150 अपॉन √3। सो इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, क्या आएगा, ये √3 अपॉन √3, ये कट जाएगा, 350 आ जाएगा। सो 50 √3 विच इज इक्वल टू 86.6 मीटर। सो ये हमारा BC क्या है, 86.6 मीटर। अब BD निकाल सकते हैं। BD कैसे निकलेगा, इन ट्रायंगल, दूसरा ट्रायंगल ले लेते हैं ABD। क्या आ जाएगा, BD अपॉन AB tan 45 डिग्री cot 45 डिग्री। सो BD क्या है, BD हमने निकालना है, AB क्या है 150 मीटर और cot 45 1 होता है। सो इसका मतलब BD किसके बराबर हो गया, 150 मीटर के बराबर हो गया। अब हमारे पास BD भी है, BC भी है, हम CD निकालते हैं। CD किसके इक्वल आ जाएगा, CD विल बी इक्वल टू BD माइनस BC। सो BD कितना है, 150 माइनस 86.6। सो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 13.4 63.4 मीटर आ जाएगा। ओके, अब हमने क्या निकालना है, CD डिस्टेंस है जो 2 मिनट में ट्रेवल होता है। तो इसकी क्या आ जाएगी, हमने स्पीड निकालनी, स्पीड विल बी इक्वल टू 63.4 अपॉन 2, दिस विल बी 3 and 1.7 मीटर पर मिनट, ये इसकी स्पीड आ जाएगी। इसको हम चेंज करना चाहते हैं, चेंज भी कर सकते हैं। सो इसको मीटर को हमने किलोमीटर में चेंज करना है तो 1000 से डिवाइड कर दो, मिनट को आवर में बदलना है तो ये 60 से कर देना है, ये हो जाएगा किलोमीटर पर आवर। तो इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, ये कट जाएगा इससे, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ये आ जाएगा 7 6 42 4 0 0 1 and 190 upon 100, so this will be 190.2 किलोमीटर पर आवर। ये इसकी स्पीड आ जाएगी बोट की जो हम फाइंड करना चाहते थे इसमें। So this was all regarding today's part. So we will further continue with some more applications of trigonometry. So till then, so go through your concepts, go through your questions which we did in the video lecture, try yourself. In case you find any problem, just contact us. We will be helping you at each and every step. So thank you very much.